So hyped. Okay, I've never done that trick. I just spent like fucking an hour trying a new trick. And I'd rather do that than like film and edit here right now, because that's like what goes on at a skate park. Like the edit that you guys always see, that's like hours of footage. And most of the time you just spend an hour trying like a new trick or a hard trick. And I don't know, I just feel like people get the wrong idea on the internet that like an edit is like, you go to the park, you watch the edit for 60 seconds, like, oh wow, they did a lot of stuff in 60 seconds. Like, no bitch, not how it works. Me and Chris have just got done playing like 3 games of skate on flat bar. We're gonna play one more with Sean and Chris.
Wait, what?
Yeah, you're playing, dude. Come on. Shit. You have to shout me out though. Flip boards. Alright, wait. Flat what? Flat ground? No, for this one first. God damn, make up your fucking mind. I'll flip your Damn it! It goes again! I was trying that shit like all last game, I couldn't do it. Oh, I landed it! Who can say where the road goes? Oh, almost hit again? Oh my god! Flip and send it! Oh. What? Cool. And to be fair, Chris and I are exhausted. This is Sean's first game. Oh, what? What? Oh, you fucking broke it. It was already broken at the start. What? You're on T already? Yeah, I'm fucking out. Oh, you could have did that. Scariest fucking trick. Oh! Oh, dude! Bro, I could have done that. Boy, though. Yeah. So buy you a tall boy. I get paid in beer. Oh, shit! Did you just win? Yeah. Oh, sick. Alright, Sean won. Chris has a really small channel. His link will be in the description below. Make sure you check him out. Chris actually won the previous 2 games that we played on flat bar, and I won the first one. But we're exhausted. We ran out of tricks. We did all of our tricks. So that game was no same tricks.
Why are you filming a pee, weirdo? I'm actually meeting up with some girl.
You're meeting up with someone?
Yeah, I'm meeting up with a girl.
Is she meeting you here?
I gotta release this now before anything.
What are you releasing?
See.
Is Corey coming too?
Yeah. Yeah, actually, he's the one I'm meeting. Hey. Was it good, girl?
You guys, it smells really fucking bad. I'm leaving. Oh shit.
Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Oh my god. Lift your hands up. Oh shit.
So I'm with Chris, Garrett, Sean. I always forget your real name.
Ty.
Jubert.
Bori.
Barrett.
Barrett. Briss.
Baylor.
Yeah, we're going to the beach. I've been spending so much more time at the beach lately. Me, Garrett, Chris, and Corey are out there body surfing, and it's really fucking fun. Can you tell us how you sent it?
Dude, today was send season, dog. We're fucking sending all these waves, me and Dale. We're like body surfing, like sending them fucking gnarly, dude.
So pitted.
What did he just say?
Like such a douche around.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Well, at first, her name is Mia, and I matched her there.
Yeah.
And I was like, Mama Mia, because it's a really terrible thing to say. And you guys made me feel even worse about it. So
Then what Corey tell you to say?
Like, you should say, Mia gonna fuck you up.
And you send
It
it?
doesn't even make sense. Yeah, I sent it. Of course I fucking sent it. I always fucking send it.
She's going insane. Alright, we're doing trick shots.
I forgot, and then it was already packed, and the fridge was
I know, I was like, I don't know if I saw you eat.
Right above the window?
Yep. The whole meal, but I don't know if you ate it.
Oh
Damn.
my god.
I'm not playing.
Damn.
Bro. Oh my god, you rimmed it. You rimmed it, dude. Hey, dude, you rimmed it. Hey, dude, you rimmed it.
Oh, I rimmed it?
Yeah.
Sick.
Oh my god, dude, you rimmed it. Oh. Did I just fucking make that shit? Dude, I feel like I've never done anything better in my entire life. If that's the best thing I do in my life, I can die happy. All right, next shot. Off the wall. Into that cup right there.
Imagine like Dude Perfect filming their videos.
Dude.
I wonder how long it takes, like weeks?
Probably. Let's go. Let's get a cup or something, right? Was that literally first fucking try? What in the fuck? Oh my god.
I didn't film it that good because I honestly didn't think you'd make it.
Okay, yeah, but
you could hear it.
Garrett's like, all right, let's try this because that's where the ball was going every time. First fucking try.
Literally first try. Holy shit.
I kind of want to try to get it up there. It's like really difficult.
Oh.
Found the fucking spot, dude. Alright, yeah, we fucking found the spot.
Do exactly what you were doing. Right there. First try again. See? Yeah, that's it. Oh my god.
Damn it. Oh my fucking god! What the fuck? That was sick.
Both of those bitches, baby.